What's the best way of fighting acnes, pimples, and scars on your skin? What's the best way? Carrot is the best way of fighting those things. So what you are going to do, grate your carrot. Carrot is one of the best natural remedy to remove acnes, to remove pimples, and to remove dark spots or scars on your skin. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to grate our carrot. Carrot has so many natural benefits on our skin. The fact that it's a natural benefit, it has so many natural benefits on our skin. One of the best natural remedy for of carrot on our skin is it fights wrinkles. Carrot fights wrinkles. It treats acnes. In case you have acnes, you can get a piece of carrot and rub it on your skin. So carrot is considered to be as a UV that protects the skin from sun damage. So what we are going to do is grate your carrot the way you're seeing it. We are finished grating your carrot. Sieve it. Sieve the carrot water after you grating it. After sieving it, as I said, carrot helps on so many skin levels. Hydrate skin. In case you have a flaky skin, in case you have a dry skin, make sure use carrot on your skin care products because it hydrates skin. So you get 2 spoons of carrot carrot juice, the one you've grated. Add an orange. As I told you early on, orange helps on skin brightening, helps to prevent skin irritation. In case like your skin is always being irritated, add an orange in your skin on every natural remedy you make for your skin. Make sure you add an orange, and also an orange produces collagen. You know, as ladies we love looking young, love looking young. So make sure you add an orange in your skincare product because it has so many benefits for your skin. It produces collagen, it firms skin, it lightens skin, all those, name it, all those natural benefits for the what? For the oranges. So after that, we can add our turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best skincare products on our skin. So turmeric is one of the best skin product on our skin because it brightens skin, it glows, it fights eczema, it fights wrinkles, it's anti-aging. It has so many good benefits for our skin. So after making our face pack, carrot, orange juice, and turmeric, those 3 products we have made help on our skin very well. It's a face mask now. So what we do, we are going to apply on our skin the way you're seeing it there. We are going to apply on our skin, and here it's going to fight acne, it's going to fight wrinkles. Your skin is going to glow. You're going to have a glowing skin. You're going to have a beautiful skin. You're going to have a brighter skin. You're going to have a acne-free skin. You're going to have non-pimples, 0 pimples. As I said, consistency is key. Whenever you're using natural remedies, they take long to work, but when they work when you're constant. Consistency is key. So this natural remedy, you're going to apply it like 3 times a week for a better result, and apply it like for minimum 10 minutes, mostly, or minimum 10 minutes, because when you apply more than 10 minutes, you're going to begin having those, how they call it, patches of turmeric, scars or patches of turmeric on your skin. If you leave it for so long, your skin will become like turmeric instead. So minimum 10 minutes. So you apply it for 10 minutes, you wash it off with your warm water. As I said, apply for 3 times a week for better results. So what you're going to do here, if it doesn't work for you, if this remedy doesn't work for you, something else is going to work for you. So try it out and come back in the comment section there and tell me if it has worked for you or not, so that we can get another product for our skin. We use natural remedies for our skin.